Would you believe me if I told you that this bed in my car takes under a minute to set up and put away?
I'm Grant with TrunkMate, and this is the all-new Blitz Bed sleeping platform. It fits practically any SUV, crossover, or hatchback. And we also make a version for minivans and trucks. This was designed for people who want their car to pull double duty. Adventure ready on the weekend, back to normal on Monday. With most sleeping platforms, you're hunting for the right bag, then trying to remember how it all goes together. With the Blitz Bed, you dial in your settings once, and then you could set this thing up in the dark. The Blitz Bed is highly customizable. Choose between a single or a double bed setup, add drawers underneath to organize your gear, and pick from 2 colors to match your interior. But what really sets it apart is how it folds away. There's no disassembly, no carrying case, and no plastic labeled bags. The whole thing simply folds and stows into the trunk, completely self-contained. This way, if anybody goes looking inside your car, all they see is a neatly organized trunk. Personally, I leave mine in the trunk full time. It keeps things organized, and it's light enough that it won't noticeably affect your fuel efficiency. But if you do need to remove it, they weigh under 25 pounds per side, and they're very easy to handle. This is our double bed. It's made up of 2 individual sizes locked together. And each module is a different size because the seats fold unevenly, 60-40. You can swap the 2 modules around however you like, but together they create a stable platform that sets up between the wheel housings in your SUV. The height of the bed adjusts up and down with these legs. That way you can fine-tune the fit for your vehicle. Each of the 4 corners have lashing points, and we include tie-down straps so that you can secure the platform to the trunk of your vehicle. The 2 sides of the platform lock together with the included carriage bolts. Or for a more dialed-in setup, we offer the AnchorBoard. The AnchorBoard sits in the trunk and holds the Blitz Bed in the perfect position. Let's go ahead and set up the bed. Simply fold down your back seats and pull out the integrated bed frame. These supports here rest on the edge of your seat and hold up the end of your bed frame. Every car has seats that fold a little different, so we include 3 sizes of these supports so that you can level out the bed and get the height just right for your vehicle. And if your vehicle has 2nd row captain seats, we offer a separate support that works with those too. Now just unfold the bed and top it with your favorite mattress. A standard twin-size mattress fits perfectly on our double bed. We deliberately kept the Blitz Bed slim, lower than most sleeping platforms out there. Remember, your mattress also adds height to the system, and in most SUVs, a few extra inches makes a real difference when lying in bed. You can still raise the Blitz Bed if you want more storage space underneath the bed, but low is where the real comfort is. Each side of the bed operates independently, so you can also use it as a single bed for your solo adventures. Not all SUVs are spacious, but that shouldn't stop you from sleeping in it if you want to. Thankfully, the length of the Blitz Bed is fully adjustable to fit your car perfectly. No measuring, no guessing. If you need a longer bed, the frame pulls out to a max of 6 foot 3 inches. Need it shorter? No worries. Underneath the foot of the bed, you have these cubby spaces for storing your car camping essentials. And if you want a more organized setup, we offer locking drawers as an add-on, either bundled with the bed or added later down the road. These drawers lock in the closed position so that all of your gear stays put while driving. If you open them all the way, they lock again so that even if you're parked on a grade, you can still access all of your gear. Each drawer has these removable tops that double as a prep surface. The false top tilts open for hands-free access, and the 2-panel design means that you can still get into the drawer even if you've got things set up on top. Now, if I remove this smaller side, I'm left with the Blitz Bed Single. The single bed works the same as the double. Adjustable length, same bed supports, and drawers if you want them. Measuring 24 inches wide, the BlitzBed Single pairs perfectly with a standard single-size mattress and sets up between your 60 split back seats, leaving your 40 split seats completely open. That means you can change, do your morning routine, and get in and out of the bed without ever leaving your vehicle. The single bed is our favorite setup for solo travelers or anybody who might need a little more space for some of those larger items. And it is possible to start with the single bed and upgrade to a double bed later down the road. The BlitzBed is available on our website. We've tested it in thousands of vehicles and we offer a 100% fit guarantee. So if it's listed on the website, you can be sure it will fit your car. We hand make our product here in the US and ship them fully assembled, ready to go right out of the box. So the only hard part is deciding which adventure you'll go on first.